Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best window inserts is probably one of the most effective and versatile solutions for tackling unwanted noise pollution that invades your living or working space, offering a significant upgrade in tranquility without the need for costly and disruptive full window replacements. These innovative panels are designed to fit snugly within your existing window frames, creating an additional barrier that dramatically reduces sound transmission from traffic, neighbors, or construction, thereby enhancing your home's comfort and your overall well-being. Number 5. Deconovo Blackout Curtains, Dark Gray. Experience unparalleled darkness with our blackout curtains. They block up to 99% of light, ensuring you get a deeper, more restful sleep. Enjoy a quieter environment as these curtains reduce everyday noise. They also help regulate room temperature, keeping you comfortable and saving energy. Each set comes with 2 perfectly sized panels, featuring easy glide grommets for smooth hanging on any standard rod. They are ready to enhance your windows right away. Rest assured with OEKOTX certified fabric, free from harmful chemicals. Cleaning is a breeze with simple machine wash instructions. These modern drapes add a touch of affordable luxury to any room, from bedrooms to living areas. Their versatile style complements any home decor beautifully. What we like. These panels offer superior light blocking and noise reduction. If you're looking for a way to improve sleep quality or create a more peaceful environment, these are an excellent choice. They are perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or any room where light and sound control are a priority. What people say. These curtains effectively darken the room, creating a cozy and comfortable atmosphere, especially during daytime naps or when you want to create a cinematic experience in your home. The thermal insulation properties of these curtains are impressive. They help regulate the room temperature, keeping it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The portability of these curtains is a standout feature. They are incredibly easy to install and move around, making them a versatile solution for different spaces or if you frequently change your room layout. The grommet design ensures a hassle-free setup without the need for additional hardware. Number 4. JBER 12-pack acoustic foam panels. Experience unparalleled sound clarity with our advanced acoustic foam panels. They are designed to absorb sound, reducing echoes and reverberations for pristine audio in any space. Crafted from sustainable, high-density materials, these panels are built to last. They quickly regain their shape and maintain performance, offering a long-term, eco-conscious solution. Rest assured with our flame-retardant panels, certified for safe indoor use. They are easily customizable to fit any space, providing the ultimate acoustic solution for your needs. Say goodbye to unwanted noise. The unique wedge design and porous structure effectively reduce distractions, creating a focused environment for work, gaming, or relaxation. Whether it's a studio, office, or home theater, these panels create an optimal atmosphere. They are ideal for anyone seeking enhanced focus and clear sound. Transform your space into a professional recording or listening environment. Enjoy crystal clear audio and a distraction-free atmosphere with these high-performance panels. What we like. This is your go-to for professional-grade sound treatment. If you're a musician, podcaster, or gamer who needs to eliminate echoes and improve audio clarity, these panels are essential. They are ideal for studios, home theaters, and gaming rooms where pristine sound is paramount. What people say. These are great, but keep in mind they are not pro-grade. I used these for my vocal booth to deaden the sound and they worked perfectly. If you want to transform your studio, help cut down and reverb, quiet the noise between a neighbor's wall, or whatever it may be. These are the most quality you'll find for this price point. First, as others have mentioned, and as the packaging states, they arrive sealed and smashed together in a plastic bag, and they take 48 hours to expand to the full size. Number 3. Storystore Foam Insulation Tape. Tired of drafts and leaks? Our self-adhesive tape sticks firmly to smooth surfaces without any tools. Just peel and stick for a long-lasting seal that saves you time and money. Experience a quieter, more comfortable home. This foam seal effectively blocks wind, dust, noise, and cold air, keeping your rooms warm in winter and cool in summer. Need a perfect fit? It's soft, flexible, and easy to cut to any length. Use it on doors, windows, cabinets, and more for a custom seal. From doors and windows to furniture gaps, this tape is your go-to solution. It's ideal for creating a comfortable environment in any room of your house. With 33 feet of durable material, this weather stripping is built to last. It resists aging and wear, performing well in all weather conditions for extended use. What we like? For a simple and effective seal, this foam tape is the answer. If you're dealing with drafts, dust, or minor noise leaks around doors and windows, this is a cost-effective solution. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to improve home comfort and energy efficiency. What people say. This weather stripping was sticky, stayed put, and was easy to remove from the backing. Nice closed cell foam that seals well. The adhesive holds well and it is forgiving if you go a little off course. Works well, no more drafts. Number 2. Duck Max Strength Heavy Duty Window Film Kit. Tired of drafts making your home uncomfortable? This heavy-duty insulating film is designed to block them effectively, helping you save on energy costs. Applying this window film is a breeze. The kit comes with everything you need, including strong tape, for a simple and straightforward installation process. Don't let the cold weather get you down. This durable film provides robust insulation for up to 3 windows, ensuring your home stays warmer. When the season is over, you won't have any trouble removing it. It peels away cleanly, leaving your windows just as you found them. Designed to cover windows up to 3 feet by 5 feet, this kit offers a versatile solution for many of your home's drafty panes. What we like? This kit provides a quick and easy way to insulate your windows. If you're looking to reduce heating costs and block out cold drafts during winter, this is a great option. It's ideal for renters or anyone who needs a temporary, no-fuss window insulation solution. What people say. It's super strong and easy to install, and it instantly makes my windows feel airtight and draft-free. This stuff is awesome. Got to get it tight and practice. Then hit the windows taking your time with an old hot-ass hairdryer. Slow and watch it shrink up and get tight. This stuff is thick. Out of the box, you can tell this film is approximately twice as thick as regular duck shrink film. I have a couple windows that are draftier than the others. This film is perfect for those, and this will be my film of choice in the future. Number 1. 32.8 foot self-adhesive weather stripping seal strip. Experience a stronger, more reliable seal with our weather stripping. Its enhanced adhesive backing ensures a lasting fit, keeping your home protected. This seal strip offers excellent performance against wind, dust, and harsh weather. It also provides effective soundproofing for a quieter home environment. Perfect for a wide range of doors and windows, including sliding, wooden, and security doors. It also fits seamlessly into cabinets and wardrobes. Easily cut and shape this seal tape to fit any gap precisely. Installation is straightforward, requiring only scissors or a blade. Remember to measure your door or window gaps carefully before selecting the appropriate size. This ensures the best possible fit and performance. What we like? This weather stripping offers enhanced adhesion and excellent sealing capabilities. If you need a reliable solution for soundproofing, windproofing, and dustproofing various gaps in your home, this is a solid choice. It's suitable for a wide range of doors, windows, and furniture. What people say. The soundproofing material is effective at blocking out external noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. The design of the window inserts allows for easy installation and removal without damaging the existing window frame. The acoustic properties of the material significantly reduce sound transmission, making it ideal for bedrooms or home offices. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.